Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Yes, I haven't been uploading. It's not like it's too long, but for me it's too long because I upload my videos like 3 times, 2 times, at worst 1 time a week. But for the past 4 weeks now or more, I haven't uploaded. So I have been away from filming and from YouTube for those weeks because I just had a baby. Yes. So the last time you saw my video, the hair tutorial that I did on the sewing I did, the last video, I was heavily pregnant then, and afterwards I put to bed and I had a baby boy. So you guys are awesome. My subscribers are awesome. The time I've been away, you guys kept watching my videos, and some of you were writing me and asking me where I've been. Some of you asking me why I was missing in action, and I replied to some of you, and some of you that already know me personally know that I had a baby. I didn't really kind of publish it on Facebook or on Instagram. I was just trying to take my time and heal properly. Thank goodness I'm fine. The baby is fine. The birth was natural birth. The baby is gonna be a month old in few days, and yeah, that is on the 2nd of April. He's gonna be 1 month old. Yeah, so I just decided to come here and tell you guys where I have been, and I think it's just a natural thing for me to come back and tell you guys. I just want to just go away from YouTube and come back and start uploading videos and act like everything was just normal. So yeah, that's what happened, and I'm kind of really surprised that none of you actually suspected I was pregnant. How could I have been pregnant for 9 months and making you guys videos 2 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, and none of you noticed I was pregnant? That was the first one I played on you guys. As in, you didn't see any changes in my body, nothing. I know I actually was not showing my stomach, yeah, but nobody knew. I just wanted to come back and tell you what was going on at the background. Baby is fine, mother is fine, father is fine, siblings are fine, we are all fine. Yes, so if you're watching me for the very first time and you haven't clicked the button, subscribe button, do that now and subscribe. And yeah, we are 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We made it to 100,000. Like, I can't even begin to imagine how we got here. I know it's been a long time I started my YouTube, but I remember getting my first 1,000 subscriber. It was like a big deal for me. And getting to 2,000 and 3,000 and 10,000 and 20,000, like, you know, it just kept coming, and here we are, 100,000. We need to pop champagne. Yeah, we need to celebrate, guys. I'm coming up with something nice, like a giveaway. Yeah, if you love her, if you love her, if you love her, I'm going to do a hair giveaway very soon, very soon. Not just because it's 100K subscriber, but just because I know that you deserve something from me to you. Yes, so I don't know, I've been away, yeah, not uploading, yeah, not filming, yeah, but I've been watching other people. I've been watching my friends, I've been watching my people I'm subscribed to, and yeah, everything is fine. Yeah, that's all what is left. So yeah, I'm going to come back and start making videos. I have loads and loads of ideas and loads of videos I'm going to film. I still have some hair. I have to show you some hair that I've got, some new hair I got, and they are really nice. So don't go away. Sub. So guys, thank you so much for staying. Bye, and see you in my next one. Bye.